Have you ever wondered how water can be used to generate electricity? It's a fascinating process, one that's been harnessed by humankind for centuries and continues to be a crucial part of our renewable energy future. Today, we're going to dive into how to build a mini hydroelectric generator right at home. It's easier than you might think. First things first, gather the necessary materials. You'll need a plastic water bottle, a small DC motor, a LED bulb, some electrical wires, a plastic propeller, a pair of scissors, and a hot glue gun. These items can be found in a local hobby shop or even around the house. Begin by cutting the bottom off the plastic water bottle. This will act as the turbine housing. Next, attach the plastic propeller to the shaft of the DC motor. This is the part that will spin to generate electricity. Now, it's time to connect the DC motor to the LED bulb. Take the electrical wires and connect one end to the terminals of the DC motor and the other end to the LED bulb. Ensure a firm connection to avoid any loose ends. Once you've connected the motor and the LED, place the motor inside the cut bottle, with the propeller facing out of the bottle's opening. Secure the motor in place with the help of the hot glue gun. And there you have it, your very own mini hydroelectric generator. Pour water into the bottle and the falling water will spin the propeller. The spinning propeller turns the motor, generating electricity that lights up the LED bulb. To summarize, here are the steps you follow. This is a simplified representation of how hydroelectric power stations work. They use the energy from falling water to spin a turbine connected to a generator, which converts the mechanical energy into electricity. It's a clean, renewable source of energy that plays a significant role in reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Remember, there's a world of renewable energy sources waiting to be explored. And with a little creativity and curiosity, you can start to understand and harness their power right from your own home. Now, you've seen how water becomes electricity. What's next? The possibilities are as vast as the energy potential of our beautiful planet. Until next time, keep discovering, keep experimenting, and keep learning.